In the constantly evolving world of business, efficiency is key. Lean process improvement, a methodology that optimizes processes by minimizing waste, is at the forefront of this transformation. Let's explore this innovative approach together. Definition and background.
Nice.
Lean process improvement is a philosophy focusing on the reduction of waste to enhance value. It traces its origins to the manufacturing world, particularly within the automotive industry, where waste reduction and efficiency were essential to competitiveness. The principles of Lean. At the heart of Lean process improvement are 5 core principles. Defining value. Everything begins with understanding what customers truly value, mapping value stream, analyzing the flow of materials and information required to bring a product or service to the customer, creating flow, ensuring a seamless flow of processes without delays, establishing pool, aligning production precisely with customer demand, seeking perfection, striving for continual refinement and improvement. Why Lean works. Lean process improvement success is attributable to its relentless focus on customer needs and its ability to adapt to various industries. Whether in healthcare, technology, or services, Lean encourages collaboration, promotes a culture of continuous improvement, and utilizes data-driven decision-making. Fun fact, Lean isn't just a modern concept. It draws inspiration from Benjamin Franklin's writings on waste reduction and efficiency, connecting historical wisdom to contemporary practice. Defining value. Understanding what customers value is the cornerstone of Lean. Whether it's quality, price, or unique features, defining value aligns the entire organization toward fulfilling customer needs. Mapping the value stream and creating flow. Mapping the value stream involves analyzing all the steps in delivering a product or a service. It uncovers inefficiencies and lays the groundwork for creating a smooth flow. By minimizing delays and bottlenecks, the process becomes more streamlined and responsive to customer demands. Establishing pull and seeking perfection. Establishing a pull system means producing only what is required when it's required. It reduces overproduction and aligns with real customer demand. Meanwhile, seeking perfection is an ongoing journey. Lean organizations continually refine processes to approach perfection, encouraging innovation and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Visual management tools. Visual tools like Kanban boards are essential to Lean. They provide clear visibility into workflow and progress, ensuring everyone understands their role in the overall process.
Yes.
Tools like these promote collaboration and allow teams to identify and address issues promptly. Organizational techniques. The 5S system, sort, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain, is a renowned Lean tool that organizes workspaces for efficiency. It minimizes time spent searching for tools or documents and creates a productive working environment. Standard work, another Lean tool, ensures that best practices are documented and consistently followed, promoting quality and efficiency. Analytical and improvement tools. Value stream mapping is a visual tool that helps teams see the flow of value from the customer's perspective. By identifying bottlenecks and waste, it lays the groundwork for improvement. Other tools like root cause analysis help in understanding underlying issues, while continuous improvement cycles, such as PDCA, Plan, Do, Check, Act, promote an ongoing commitment to enhancing processes and value delivery. Businesses across various industries have harnessed Lean process improvement for remarkable results. Interesting story. The aerospace giant Boeing implemented Lean principles, reducing their manufacturing cycle time by over 40%. This massive gain allowed them to respond to market demands more swiftly. If Lean process improvement resonates with your business aspirations, Business Explained ebook, Process Improvement Strategies Explained, is your go-to guide. Learn through real-life examples, cutting-edge strategies, and detailed illustrations. Lean process improvement isn't merely a trend. It's a tested and proven method to elevate your business operations. Join us at Business Explained and be a part of this exciting efficiency revolution today.